Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy, no matter where you are. I was contacted by a store on Amazon, and I hope I say this right. It's spelled Nuezoo, Nuzu store, and they had asked me if I would review a product, and I thought, well, of course I will. And what they had was some collapsible cleaning buckets, and I thought, oh man, how cool would those be? So what I'll do is I will leave their link down below, and I thought that I would look at these with you guys. So I was surprised. I guess I didn't realize that they were that the biggest one was so big. But you get 2 buckets, and they do send you a card with their email on it. And they are called BP Time Products. And then there is their email address. And you get 2 buckets, like I said, and they're collapsible. And let's look at the small one first. You can see how, I mean, you could absolutely just store them anywhere. And then what you do is you just unclips them. And how stinking cute is that? I thought that the small one that I would use on my desk, and to keep maybe my scraps in, or maybe put some projects in that I'm working on at the time. And then you get these little strainer pieces. You get one smaller one and one big one for the big bucket, and that goes right there, and that you could, like, you could use these for anything. And then I kind of thought about using these to take the small one walking with my dogs, that if they was to get hot and I had some water and they didn't have water in the creeks, I could take a couple bottles of water in a little backpack and put that in there, and then they'd have a water bucket. How fun is that? And let me measure this. It is right at 9 1/4 inches wide, and looks like it stands, let's look here, almost 6 3/4 inches tall, and it does come in blue and green. So how functional would this be? So let's look at the big one. Now here's the big one. Look how big that is, guys. And all you do is uncollapse it, and it feels like it's really made well. I mean, really sturdy. The plastic is really hard. Look at that. Look how big that is, guys. How awesome is that? And it looks like it is right at almost 11 1/2 inches wide. That's a big old bucket. And then it stands 9 1/2 inches tall. And then you get this strainer piece here that will go right here. There you go. And so these are pretty cool. So like I said, thank you to the store for asking me to review. I really, really, really like these, and I really think I'll use them. And I think this one I may use as a garbage can in my craft room, because us crafters, that's all we do, that we can only think about what we use in the craft room. And look, they just fold right back up. I mean, how neat is that? I really like these. These are pretty cool. Pretty cool. So thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And I pray that God blesses each and every one of you, and have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.